Court orders temporary forfeiture of $49,700 recovered from ex-Sokoto resident Electoral Commission plus Tambuwal Wamako's connection. Now what? The way you hear money these days that they've stolen in this country. As well, the Federal High Court in Abuja on Monday ordered the temporary forfeiture of the sum of $49,700 allegedly recovered from Dr. Nura Ali, former Resident Electoral Commission (REC), Independent National Electoral Commission (Inec) for Sokoto State in the 2023 general election. Where did he get that kind of money from? As an INEC representative, as a former electoral commissioner, where did you get that kind of money from? Justice Emeka Nwite gave the order after Osobeni Akponi-Misinga, Counsel to the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) moved an ex parte motion to the effect. While the Federal Republic of Nigeria (FRN) was the applicant, Ali was the sole respondent in the motion ex parte marked FHC/ABJ/CS/1846/2024. The motion dated December 20 and filed December 24 was jointly filed by the ICPC and the Department of State Services (DSS). Mr. Usman Dauda, the Director of Legal, signed the application on DSS behalf. Akponi-Misinga, Assistant Chief Legal Officer in ICPC, was part of the legal team that drafted the process. The motion sought an order of the court temporarily forfeiting the sum of $49,700 recovered from one Dr. Nura Ali during a search operation by the federal government of Nigeria, being property suspected to be proceeds of an unlawful activity. Oh, they are searching. Are they going to search Mahmoud Yakubu as well? Because obviously, if this person has $49,700, then Mahmoud will be way bigger than that, because he helped them to rig election and he did a proper job for them, so he would have collected his own reward as well. It also saw the order directing the applicant, the FRN, through the ICPC and the DSS to jointly conduct a thorough preliminary investigation into the alleged unlawful activities of Ali in respect of the movable property sought to be forfeited and make a report to court within 90 days. It sought an order directing the applicant, FRN, through the ICPC and the DSS to deposit the $49,700 in an escrow account at the Central Bank of Nigeria. That money now, before you hear you don't go with that, you will not hear anything about it again. The application equally sought an order directing the applicant to publish a notice in any national newspaper calling for persons, whether human, juristic, or artificial, having interest in the money to show cause why it should not be permanently forfeited to the federal government. Giving 9 grounds why the application should be granted, the applicant said the victim of the alleged crime was the federal government of Nigeria and innocent taxpayers, which include judges of courts across the country. He said the money was recovered during a search operation by operatives of the DSS at the residence of Ali. That one is obviously an information. They probably gave them an information to go and search him. Probably he has offended somebody. Abi now. Not be Nigeria with it. The alleged movable property of $49,700, so he gets that cash at home. Now what? Was bribe money received by Dr. Nura Ali when he was the Independent National Electoral Commission resident, Electoral Commissioner for Sokoto State. So he collected bribe money from APC, I guess. So Mahmoud Yakubu too, did they go and search his house? No. They need to go and search Mahmoud Yakubu as well, because that one will have billions or trillions in his house. The alleged movable property is not the legitimate earning of Dr. Ali as Independent National Electoral Commission Resident Electoral Commissioner. The alleged movable property is suspected to be a proceed of crime, he said. The applicant argued that Inec does not pay its staff member with United States dollars as salaries or allowances. He said the essence of the application was not to compulsorily acquire the alleged movable property from the alleged owner, but to preserve the property from dissipation. It must have been an information. So who gave information that, he has dollars at home and they went to search the property? Obviously, it is an informant. He said if the consequence to believe such interested person, including the alleged owner, will be given opportunity to offer an explanation As to the legitimacy of the alleged property, I will not be surprised if it is still the same people that paid him the money that still went to tell us his secrets so that they will come and investigate him and get back the money. Because obviously that is what he's looking at like. Where cogent and verifiable explanation exists as to how the property was acquired, devoid of crime, the alleged owner or any other person having proprietary interest in the property will be allowed unrestricted possession of the property. This application is not in conflict with the provision of Section 43 and 44 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, which guarantees the rights of citizens of Nigeria to acquire and own immovable and movable properties in any part of Nigeria. It said, when the matter was called, Abonemi who appeared for the FRN, told the court that the motion ex parte paid the court for 4 others. The lawyer said 4 exhibits were attached to the motion, including Exhibit DSS-1 to Exhibit DSS-4. He urged the court to grant the application in the interest of justice. He said a search was conducted in Ali's residence in Kano, and the sum of $49,700 was retrieved from the building. He told the court that Ali allegedly said that the sum of $150,000 was given to him by the former governor of Sokoto State, Aminu Tambuwa, and Senator Ali Wamako. Why did they give you such amount of money? And why did they even give it to you in cash? Why? Obviously there is something to it. $150,000. Hey God. And is now remaining $49,700. It is well. He told, the ICP's lawyer who alleged that Ali made this disclosure in his extrajudicial statement to the DSS said the former rec also wrote a letter to the security outfit in a bid to reclaim the money. He insisted that Inec does not pay his workers or recs in dollars. Also in the affidavit in support of the motion, ex parte deposed to by Iliya Marcos, a litigation officer with ICPC, he said that Abonemi informed him that he read through the case file and comprehended facts forming the allegations leading to the execution of search warrant by operatives of the DSS at Ali's residence. A copy of the search warrant is hereby attached and marked as Exhibit DSS-1, he said. The officer said in the course of the execution of the search warrant, the sum of $47,000 was recovered from the house. It is well. I also know as a fact that Dr. Nura Ali did not report the gift of the alleged $49,700 to any law enforcement agency as required by extant laws of the land. Dr. Ali in the past had written letters to the state security services requesting for a release of the alleged $49,700 bribe money to him. Marcos said the investigation was yet to be concluded, hence the need for 90 days application. Justice Wikte said that the application was meritorious, granted the prayers. The judge adjourned the matter until January 30 for a report of compliance on the publication in the media and adjourned until March 31 for hearing of the matter. A whole lot is going on in this country. Corruption. It is the beginning and the end of this country. It's only God that will help us. They keep rigging election. I hope they go and conduct a search in Mahmoud Yakubu's house the way they went to conduct in this person's house. Because he too, I'm sure he will have money in his house that we don't know how we got it. It is well. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.